up, everyone? Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. How's it going? Happy Saturday. It is the weekend. I have a box of goodies that I placed during the Sephora VIB sale. It was the sale where everything was 15% off. I was super excited to pick up some of these products, so I wanted to go ahead and show you guys what I got during the sale. I had another video that I actually wanted to post, but I wanted to go ahead and get this one up first because that sale is going on again this weekend. So I thought if there's anybody out there that might find some of this stuff interesting, that they could go pick it up this weekend at Sephora or on Sephora.com. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started on some of the goodies that I purchased during the sale. Don't mind my hair. I have already worked out and I was a sweaty mess, so I threw it on top of my head and thought, let's just film this video. I went back to Abby and she actually retoned my hair, as you guys will see in an upcoming video. While I was in LA, I was talking about how under certain lights my hair was pulling a really yellowy effect. So I went back to her and she toned it, and it is super blonde right now. I actually haven't even washed it since she has toned it. Anyway, that's not what we're here to talk about. Okay, so let's talk about hair items first. I picked up this IGK Thirsty Girl Coconut Milk Leave-In Conditioner. So I love the IGK products, and I was at Sephora a couple months ago and I actually sprayed this in my hair with the tester. I just wanted to try it out, and a girl walks by and she asked me what kind of perfume I'm wearing, and I laughed and I told her, well, it's probably just what I sprayed in my hair. So she went over and she picked this up, smelled it because I showed her where it was, and she was like, oh my gosh, I'm buying this, but I'm gonna spray it all over my body and use it as a perfume. And I was like, you do you, girl. Not judging. It does smell amazing. You guys will have to smell this if you go into Sephora and see the tester sitting out. It smells so good. It doesn't smell anything like coconut. It does have a very perfumey smell, but it is so good. It's a leave-in conditioner, so like I said, I love the IGK products and I'm really excited to try this one out. Next hair care item is the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. So I had a smaller size of this one and left it in my shower, used it all the time. I could not get over how amazing it made my hair feel. So I had to pick up the big one while it was on sale. I'm obsessed with this product. Briogeo has amazing products. I actually have a product similar to this one as far as the leave-in conditioner in my bathroom. There's no sulfates, no silicones, and no parabens in their products, which is absolutely amazing. Makes my hair feel so good. I've been trying to go as long as I can without washing my hair. So when I do wash my hair, I've been trying to use a really good conditioning mask on it. Since it is so blonde and my hair has been through a lot lately, if you guys have not tried anything from the Briogeo line, definitely go get a sample and try them out. I got these little hair care items. This is the Bumble & Bumble BB Hairdressers Invisible Oil Shampoo and Conditioner. So these little guys were a birthday gift from Sephora. It's so cute that they do that. They let you pick out an item for your birthday. What are you doing back there, Doodle? He does this thing where he likes to just go into my closet and, you know, pull out socks, hats, scarves, and bring them to me like, here, I got this for you. Thank you. So yes, Bumble & Bumble have absolutely amazing products. Love their stuff. I have some of their hairspray, I believe, or dry shampoo. So I do like their stuff. I will probably keep these with me when I travel just because they're the perfect little size to take along with me. And I love that. So let me get some of these samples out of here because we're not going to talk about those. Next items for hair care. These are the Invisibobble hair ties, the Elegant Hair Ring. I am obsessed with these. So a friend of mine gave me one a while back and I had to ask her again. I was like, where did you get these? So she told me they were at Sephora. So during the sale, I picked up the black and the clear. I'm obsessed with these. I just had one in earlier this morning. I don't know why I changed to a hair tie. If you are a person that, like my friend Christy, she always complains that when her hair is up, it falls out while she's running and while she's working out. And that will not happen with these products. They keep your hair in place. They do not damage your hair. Well, they claim not to damage your hair. These were like $8 a pack, but 3 come in them. So during the sale, ended up only being like $6 a pack. Make sure you try them. I am obsessed. They made me a little bit nervous at first because I'm thinking, oh my gosh, this is going to pull out my hair. They're plastic, but no. I went to my Orange Theory class, had my hair on top of my head, similar to this, a lot of times my hair ties will tend to fall too, and my hair stayed in place my entire workout. Okay, so let's go ahead and move on to skincare. The first thing I picked up was this Belief Witch Hazel Herbal Extract Toner. So I have not tried this toner in particular, but I've been big on using toners recently, and I currently have one by Ren, R-E-N, and I absolutely love it. I've been using it for a while, but I wanted to try something new, and this had amazing reviews on Sephora.com. I've heard people rave about witch hazel and that it's really good for your skin. So I was in the market to try another toner since I'm almost out of my other one, and I wanted to pick this up because, like I said, the reviews were amazing. People really said that they enjoy this one. It does come in a pretty big bottle, which I'm excited about because my Ren one's pretty small. So I'm excited to give this a shot, and I will definitely report back and let you guys know how it works on my skin. Exciting but expansive. My next item is the Proteini Polypeptide Cream from Drunk Elephant. I have not tried this product yet. I've heard amazing things. As you guys know, I've been using a lot of the Drunk Elephant products in my skincare recently. I used the SEPHORA daily. I used their glycolic serum at night, the Framboos one. And I've been loving my smaller size of my marula oil, which we will get into in a minute. But this one had really good reviews. I was in a toss-up between the La La Whipped and this one. And I did see that this one had a little bit better reviews on Sephora. So I'm so excited to give this a try. I am just obsessed with Drunk Elephant and their packaging. The packaging on this, as you can see right here, so you push down on it and the product comes out, which I think is amazing. Their packaging is so travel friendly. It never spills out my bag. It kind of has the twist caps, so it never spills out. I never have to worry about them when I'm traveling, when they're in my bag. If you read their story on Drunk Elephant, I thought it was really interesting. There's so much to read about the founder and how she came up with the products in general, but they make their packaging in a way that the air and anything in the air cannot really get into your product in the bottles, if that makes any sense. So similar like this, you just push down. It's not like you open and everything from the environment can come into your product that you put onto your face. So I'm super excited to add this into my skincare regimen, and again, I will keep you guys posted. When I'm not using my Drunk Elephant products, I can tell the biggest difference in my skin. I swear by them. I love their stuff. I would not recommend anything that I have not tried and did not really love myself. So yes, these products are pricey, but they're so worth it. My skin has never looked better since I incorporated these products. So this is another one that I've incorporated into my skincare routine as well. This is the Virgin Marula Luxury Facial Oil. Now, this bottle is way smaller than what I thought it was going to be, and it was $40. But a little bit does go a long way. As you can see, in comparison to my hand, the bottle is pretty small. But I love the applicator on this. My travel size of this is this big, and I've been using it for months. So a little bit does go a long way. I am obsessed with this oil. First of all, I've not been one in the past to use a lot of facial oils, but this one completely changed my life. I mix this into my night serum. I mix this into the vitamin C serum that I use every day. As you all know, I get those patches on my eyelids I get extremely dry in my eyelids. I don't know why, and in the outer corners of my eye. I have been putting this on those patches, and the next day, they might not be entirely gone, but they're so much more hydrated. This stuff is a miracle. You can put it on your hands, on your elbows, on your knees, wherever you are extremely dry. So it does say on it that you can apply to face, neck, chest, hands, back of arms, or any place needing increased moisture without any greasy residue for balanced, glowing, healthy looking skin. And that is so true too. I don't like oils that go on my face that make my face feel greasy, and this does not do that. It just absorbs perfectly into my skin and really does give a beautiful glow. So I cannot be without this right now. It is one of my top products. I make sure is in my travel bag. I know that the products are pricey, so I highly recommend, if you're interested, go into Sephora, grab some samples. They will make samples of anything for you. Grab some samples, try it out for a couple weeks, see what you think. The SEPHORA I highly recommend. I know that I say this all the time, but if you guys can see, I put it on, of course, in my skincare this morning, but I can just tell the days that I don't use that SEPHORA serum that my face does not look the same. It doesn't have that natural glow from within. Okay, so let's jump into makeup. I have a couple makeup products that I purchased or repurchased. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. It's the only brow gel that I use. I've tried out a couple other ones and nothing works as well as this brow gel. It literally just glues down the brows and they don't go anywhere. They don't move. This product is amazing. I told you guys a little bit about my old packaging. There is nothing in this. I have been scraping the bottle to get product out of this until that one came in. This is completely pretty much dried out, but I've just been like, no, just a little more. Next, I got the Hourglass number 28 Primer Serum. Now, I got the small size of this to try it out because I have so many primers in my collection at home, but I was really intrigued to try this one. I actually heard Kathleen Lights raving about this for people that have extremely dry patches on their skin. Now, this bottle is tiny, and I think, don't quote me, this was maybe over $20 for this little tiny bottle. I wanted to give it a shot. Like I said, Kathleen said that she uses them on her really dry patches, and I get really dry over in this area and pretty much on the outer portion of my face, which is weird. So I'm just going to use this primer in those areas to really kind of hydrate them. The ends of my eyebrows and my hairline, I get so dry and my foundation will cake up a lot right there. So I'm excited to try this product and we'll let you guys know how it works for me. Okay, you know what? Whatever, just get in there. Okay, next, this is the Laura Mercier Matte Radiant Baked Powder Bronzer. Oh my gosh, you guys. I used to use this back in the day. I had a small size of it, not the sample size. It was just I don't know if it was sent to me. I don't know if it was just limited time small size. I actually found it the other day and I've hit pan on it. There's like a ring around the end of all that I had left of it. And it reminded me how much I loved this bronzer. And I told myself when it comes on sale, I have to pick it up again. The compact on this is huge, which makes me really excited. This is in the shade Bronze 3. And this is like the most perfect shade for summer. Oh, and the other thing I did want to tell you guys, I actually purchased yesterday because it is finally back in stock, and I was so excited because I planned on, of course, buying it anyway because I have been waiting for this bronzer to come back in stock forever, and that is the Marc Jacobs Omega Tantastic Bronzer. I saw on Trend Mood a while back, and I screenshotted her post because I had to get my hands on this bronzer. I've been trying to get it forever. It used to come in a white packaging. This one is a limited edition rose gold packaging, and I am so excited to get it. Marc Jacobs does have a big panda bronzer that looks like this, but it's not the same as the Omega Tantastic. I've wanted it for months, but it was never in stock in Sephora. It was something they kind of did limited edition and then didn't bring it back until now. So for months and months, I've been looking for it, waiting for it. It was never in stock. So when I saw that they were bringing it back, I immediately purchased it yesterday. I had 15% off, which was great. So I will use that in an upcoming video too and let you guys know how I feel about it. The pan on it is like this big. It is huge. Okay, the last product I picked up during the sale was the Becca Hydro Mist Set and Refresh Powder. I have been so intrigued to try this powder. I've heard people talking about it all over the internet, all over YouTube. And first of all, I was intrigued just when I saw Becca's post about this because they were talking about the fact that it was a powder and it was 50% water. I heard how good it was to set your foundation and how perfect it made your skin look. So then I was even more intrigued, had to buy it. So as you can see, as I dump it out everywhere. Cool. So the powder is in there. It's kind of at the edge, so I don't want to dip it down all the way, but I put my finger in this yesterday, and the cushion in here is so cool. The way it feels, oh my gosh, just even on my hand, it feels so hydrating and just like water going on my skin. I cannot wait to try this. I really wanted to try it today, but I decided I wanted to keep it in the packaging, wait until I talk to you guys about it before I went ahead and tried it on my face. So this is the product that I'm most excited to try. And not only is it really innovative and an awesome product idea, but if it really works as well as everyone's saying, it's setting the makeup and making your skin look flawless, say no more. So yeah, that is it, you guys. That is everything I picked up during Sephora's sale. Go ahead and let me know in the comments down below, what did you pick up? Did you get anything from the sale? Do you want to get anything from the sale? I want to get this video up for you guys because I know the sale is still going on, and let me know if there's anything that I'm missing. Is there something that I should be trying out that I should go out and buy right now? So yeah, let me know, you guys. Just leave everything down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.